Welcome to Babu Educational and Motivational. Basic functions and features of Python. Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language that is widely used for various purposes, such as 1. Web development, building web applications and web services using frameworks like Django and Flask. 2. Data science, data analysis, machine learning, and data visualization using libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. 3. Automation, automating tasks, processes, and workflows using scripts and tools. 4. Artificial intelligence, building AI and ML models, natural language processing, and computer vision. 5. Scientific computing, scientific simulations, data analysis, and visualization in fields like physics, engineering, and biology. 6. Education, teaching programming concepts and introductory programming courses. 7. Scripting, writing scripts for system administration, data processing, and other tasks. Python's key features include 1. Easy to learn, simple syntax, indentation-based code structure, and a vast number of libraries and resources. 2. High-level language, abstracts away low-level details, allowing focus on program logic. 3. Interpreted language, code is executed line by line, making development and debugging easier. 4. Cross-platform, runs on multiple operating systems, including Windows, macOS, and Linux. 5. Large community, extensive libraries, frameworks, and resources, with a vast and active community. 6. Extensive libraries, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, scikit-learn, and many more, making it suitable for various tasks. In summary, Python is a versatile, easy-to-learn language with a wide range of applications, making it a popular choice among developers, data scientists, and researchers. More information in Babu Educational and Motivational.